my eye. Girl, I never loved one like you.
Man, oh man, you're my best friend. I scream it too. There's nothing that, there ain't nothing that I need.
Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ, ain't nothing please me more than you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
When we first started dating, I asked you a question. Why do you think we would be such a good couple? And your answer,
A constant dynamic.
yes. And we would never get too comfortable. I can say today that you are absolutely right. I promise to always make sure that you challenge yourself and never lose your sense of adventure. To always let you know when I am getting hangry.
I appreciate that so much.
Because I'm so sorry when I do. To always be faithful. And to always love you with all of my bear.
D, Dino, Sweet Peach, Panda. I have several names for you. And if I'm upset with you, it's just woman! In fact, I rarely ever say your actual name out loud. But I have been impatiently waiting for this moment. I get to add a new name to the list. I love you, and I like you, for a myriad of reasons. Some of the highlights I'll cover briefly. The way you get so excited to take care of me in the rare event that I'm sick. Your patience with me as I always just have one more thing I gotta do. The way you chase our cats through the house screaming, "Let me love you!" And perhaps most of all, your insatiable appetite for silliness, laughter, and adventure with me. So, Dino, I promise to always be true to you in every way. I promise to be sensitive to your needs, listen attentively, and act compassionately. I promise to encourage you to grow, learn, and explore. I promise to always be in your corner, always have your back, and always let you trust your gut. I promise to keep our life exciting and make marriage our biggest adventure. I promise to always warn you before changing the song we're both singing along to. And most importantly, I promise to give 250% effort to our constant dynamic for the rest of my days, because heart always wins. Let's do this.